morning everyone, it's Taylor. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna focus on having a great day. We're gonna get some stuff done. I really hope it can motivate you guys to accomplish your goals as well. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, so it's up to us to decide how we want to spend it. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. So something I find really important to set myself up for a successful day is making sure that I write out a to-do list. This way I can set some intentions for the day and move throughout my day with intention, which is actually really important so you don't waste time, and now you know exactly what you need to focus on in order to feel accomplished by the end of the day. And I personally like to write down 5 really important tasks that will help move the needle and get me that much closer to my goals. By the way, happy first official day of summer. It is very hot out here. And please don't ask me how my plants are doing. Let's just say they're not doing well. But our cactus plants and our succulents are thriving. So hey, that's good. I did water them and I left them in the sun, but they still proceeded to die. So lately I've been aiming to get my workout done at noon because I like to work all morning and then I feel like noon is a pretty good time to like take a break and go get a workout in. And I wanted to make a time that I could really be consistent with because I find having a routine really helps me keep up with it. And now that it's scheduled into my day, I am way less likely to skip it and make up a reason as to why I didn't have time for it because I specifically delegated noon as my workout time. So there is no going around it. It's like an appointment now. So yeah, routines just help you build momentum, and momentum makes it easier to keep going. Work smarter, not harder. Alright, so it is currently 1:10. I do have a very messy kitchen behind me and I wanted to clean it, but I am honestly just so hungry, so I'm gonna make lunch first. But I did take a body shower, so now I'm feeling super clean and it changed. So yeah, we're gonna make this shrimp ceviche recipe that I tried out the other day. It was seriously amazing, like my new favorite lunch, and it takes like under 10 minutes to make, so we're just gonna whip it up really quick. So I'm first just cooking up some shrimp here. I didn't have like a ton of shrimp left. Oops, a little foggy. So I threw in some extra chickpeas that I had in the fridge just to like add a little more protein. If you want to add a little kick to this, add these hot and sweet jalapenos from Trader Joe's. They are seriously so good. I just diced them up really finely because they are pretty spicy. And the last thing I like to add is this chili and lime seasoning. It just adds the perfect touch. It is so delicious. Remember when I said this takes under 10 minutes to make? Well, it does still like put all the ingredients in a bowl, but I forgot that you're supposed to chill it in the fridge for like, you can do it for a few hours, but I just do like 20 minutes in the fridge and then the last 10 minutes I throw it in the freezer just to get it like extra cold. So yeah, that's just what I like to do and it works out. And this is what we're gonna eat with that shrimp ceviche. You just dip tortilla chips in it like a dip. It is seriously so good. And I love these chips from Trader Joe's because they have super minimal clean ingredients. So yeah, they're just really great and they taste amazing. So I'm really excited to eat, but I'm actually gonna clean up the kitchen right now. It is so messy. It's like killing me. This is all from yesterday too because we cooked at home all day. So it just got super messy. We didn't clean it up last night. So this is what I have to deal with. So I did end up starting another Colleen Hoover book. She's just my favorite author right now. I just always love her books. I looked up what her top 10 rated books were, and this was her 4th one. I already had read the top 3. So this one's called Hopeless. It is another romance story, shocker, but they all have different storylines and plot twists, so I like all of them. And I really like this one so far, so I'm just gonna read for a little bit, and then Arie and I are actually gonna go see a movie tonight because it's $5 Tuesday, meaning that the movie tickets are only $5 today, and you get like a free popcorn, so it's just like the best deal. So we're gonna go see the movie Lightyear. It's that new Pixar movie about Buzz Lightyear. I thought it looked pretty good, so I wanted to go see it since I haven't been to the movie theater in literally forever. Like, I can't even remember the last movie I saw in theaters. We are back from the movie. It was super fun. The movie was super cute. I'm eating some blueberries right now because I ate way too much popcorn, and now I'm just really craving something fresh and healthy. So, will I make it? Oh my god. Okay, retry. That was a terrible throw. Oh my god. I need to throw better. Okay. My hair is so crazy. Okay. Oh yeah. Forgot to end off this video, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. I don't know what my arms are doing. Bye.